Okay, we are going to do an oil change of this 2015 Honda Rebel. It's a very easy job. I've already actually got it started. What you need is a 17 millimeter wrench, and you want to get this bolt right here, 17 millimeter, and an oil drain pan. The bolt comes right out of the engine on the bottom, right behind this bar, right in there. Let's see, you turn the light on. You can see the drips coming out. Let's see, right up in front of my finger, just forward. The bolt goes in sideways this way. And to unloosen it, you turn it to the left. And to tighten it, you turn it into the right. You are going to want to drain the oil out. As you can see, most of it's already drained out, but you're going to want to tip the bike up off of the stand a few times, then lean it back. You can see some more oil coming out there. You want to do that several times so that you get all the gunk out. You can see something came out of there. I don't know if that's bubbles or what that is that came out of there. But just one tip up and it did that. So let's try it again. The bike up straight, then let it down. Oh, look, see more oil coming out. Be real careful. You don't tip the bike over when you're doing it. It's quite a bit more oil coming out. Take a look down there. Can't tell if that's gunk or what that is, but I'll take a closer look when I'm done. One more time. I'm going to tip it up. Straight up. And slowly back down on its kickstand. See if anything else comes out. Yep. More oil popping out of there. So quite a bit of oil still coming out. So I'm going to pause it and do that a couple more times and see if I can get any more oil out. I don't really like doing it while I'm sitting on the ground because I don't got a good grip on the bike. So I'm going to do it a couple more times. I'm going to pause and see how much more oil I can get out. So just pause, bear with me. You're going to do the same thing in your process before you add the oil back in. It's also important to loosen the cap here. This is the cap so that some air gets in there. So here I go. I'm going to pause. All right, so I did it about 3 more times. Most of the oil now is out. You can see there's a slight drip there. Let's see, you can see it's dripping out. That's where the location of the plug goes in.
What?
Right there.
What, Dad?
All right, so I got almost all of it. See, there's still a very slow drip there. So I'm going to give it a few more minutes to let that drip out. And then we'll come back and finish. I'm going to be re-putting the bolt back in, this bolt, right here. Clean it off, and it will screw in just like a regular bolt. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So we're going to be turning it back to the right. And once that's back in, we'll be putting in about 1.5 quarts of oil in here. Okay, so got that guy up in there. I don't know if you can see it from this angle. Let's see. It's right there. This